Hey guys, good afternoon. How you doing? I think right now is the perfect time as any to actually update on a full week of what the Forex CA actually made. Currently, right now, I'm only using gold to actually determine to basically use the. I started with $978, and as of right now, for the month, we have made 236 bucks. That's actually just from last Friday. That's not actually for the month. This is just for 1 week. We started the EA last Friday. Today's like a full trading week of this, and so far it's made around a 24% gain of me literally doing absolutely nothing. And that is with my account being 2 times over leverage, right? My account starting size was 978. It was actually supposed to be closer to I think 2 grand to 3 grand should actually be the minimum that you would put in the Forex account for this to actually like work and sustain it, so you don't blow your account. But so far, we've done 236 over the past 5 days or so, like 5.5 days. So I mean, with that, really, whoops, 236 divided by 5. What am I doing? So that's an average of $47 per day as of right now. So we have been averaging those 40 something dollars per day, 47 bucks a day. And that's only been since last Friday. Again, we had like 1 or 2 unicorn days that made between 70, 40, and like 30 bucks for like 3 days straight. Again, I don't expect these kind of gains, basically for forever. This is just kind of, like I said, these are unicorn gains, right? If this was actually the case, by doing nothing, you can multiply this by 4, and you would be making somewhere close to 100% in a month, which is not the case. It's not the case at all. Again, just a quick update for the day today. We are up 40 bucks, but for the last week or so, for total, since we started on Friday, we are up 236, which is actually a pretty significant change by literally me just letting the EA run and doing its own thing, right? And this is only on 5 days. 5 days, 978 starting account size, and we've done 236, and the count right now sits at 1,214 bucks. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.